This question is count equal and divisible pairs in array. So this is the the description, but the idea is actually to pair whatever the value they are the same. So for example, index 0 and index 6 are the same because the value is 3, right? And the index the value of 1 is what? Index 1 and 5. The value 2 has index 2, 3, 4, right? So list is going to represent the list of integer. This is going to be just integer. So in the map, we can actually traverse those value in the key, right? And then we want to make sure does 0 times 6 multiplied by k is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then you increment the count. Else, you don't care about it. So yeah, let's just start writing. So map integer, list of integer. So what you need is you want to have two traverse nums array. So you want to use a compute if absent for the num if they didn't initialize it, right? So and also we need an index. So traversing a num is not correct. We need to have the I. We need to use an index. Num I. Okay. And what I need to do is I want to use lambda to initialize my map list inside my map, and I add a value which is going to be index, right? So it's I. So this is pretty much how I make my map with the array. So again, this is going to be represent what the value. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 technically, and the value 1 contain index 1 and 5, and 2 has what 2, 3, 4, and then 3 is 0 and 6, right? So this is pretty much it. Then we traverse based on the value, and we need to iterate value if they have size of if they have more than size of 2, right? And also equal. So this will be a return value. So for integer, not integer, it's a list, right? So map.values, traverse the value. So if the value the size is less than 2, continue. I don't care about it. If not, I basically traverse. And I want to make sure my j is less than I, j plus 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 plus. So if the value that get at I multiply value that get at j is mod by k, that is equal to 0, then we want to increment our result. So this is the solution. Cool. So let's talk about time and space. Space is going to be this one. You're going to append every single integer in the map. So it will contain all of them at most for the space. This is going to be all of n for the time, right? But what does n represent? N represents a k, all of k times all of v, right? K represent key in the map, v represent value in the map. So in this case, this is represent what? The number of the value in the map is also equal to the number of key in the map, right? So this is v, and then you traverse based on the value in the map. So I would say all of capital V here, and this is all of little v, and this is definitely all of little v. So v times v squared will be the time, and this is definitely longer than the all of n, right? So this is the solution. All right, see you later. Bye.